Defining activities is a critical part of project management that establishes the groundwork for successful project execution. It involves defining and organizing activities, milestones, and modifications within a project to guarantee clarity, efficiency, and alignment with project objectives. This lecture gives a full approach to establishing activities, highlighting essential components such as activity list, activity attributes, milestone list, change requests, and project management plan updates, which happen to be the outputs to this process. Let's discuss all of them. Activity list. The activity list is a full inventory of all the activities and work packages required to finish a project. It offers an organized analysis of dependence and the order in which they should be carried out. Each item on the list should be specified, including precise deliverables and deadlines. The activity list serves as a roadmap for project teams, leading them through the project lifecycle and ensuring that all project components are accounted for and resources are allocated properly. It creates a clear project structure and helps to ensure that no activities are forgotten. Activity attributes. The activity attributes provide you with more information about each task in the activity list. These characteristics provide a better knowledge of the operations, allowing for more effective planning and resource allocation. They may include activity codes, descriptions, predecessors, activities that must be accomplished prior to the present activity. Then the successors, which are activities that rely on the current activity. Further, resource needed, expected durations, and any other pertinent information. By documenting these characteristics, project managers receive insight into important routes, dependencies, and potential bottlenecks, allowing for more accurate project forecasting and risk management. Milestone list. Milestones are noteworthy events or accomplishments within a project that serve as checkpoints. The milestone list identifies and specifies these critical milestones, giving unambiguous reference points for project progress. Milestones might involve key delivery completion, assessments, or client approvals. They assist project teams and stakeholders in assessing project progress, managing expectations, and identifying possible hazards. Project managers use a milestone list to verify that project objectives are accomplished within defined timelines, which contributes to successful project completion and overall stakeholder satisfaction. Change requests. Change requests are official suggestions for changes to the project scope, timeline, resources, or budget. They are a crucial component of good change management. Change requests are assessed by project managers based on their effect, feasibility, risks, rewards, and stakeholders' interests. Change requests are examined, authorized, or denied, and deployed as needed using a systematic change control procedure. Change requests ensure that project objectives remain aligned with growing needs and assist to prevent possible interruptions. They provide a method for managing modifications in a controlled way, lowering the possibility of scope creep and assuring project success. Project management plan updates. Any change to the project management plan goes through the organization's change control process via a change request. Components that may require a change request for the project management plan would include schedule baseline. Throughout the project, work packages are progressively elaborated into activities. This process may reveal work that was not part of the initial schedule baseline, necessitating a change to delivery dates or other significant schedule milestones that are the schedule baseline. Cost baseline. Changes to the cost baseline are incorporated in response to the approved changes in schedule activities. See you in the next lecture.